Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the Polygonle puzzle, where I'm trying to work out what this word is, and where the shape at the top is repeated, the letter is repeated. So I don't know for sure that those are E's and R's, but it's a starting place, isn't it? Maybe S is more likely. What would this be? I was thinking an IER ending. I suppose it could even be an ING ending. How about banging? There we go, banging a drum. Oh, nothing's in the right place. However, I do think that probably means it can't be ER anymore, or ES, or E anything, because we would run out of places to put the vowels. So what are we going to try instead? Are we going to have vowels here, either the A or the I? Maybe an I is more likely there, because then we could have a C as the ending. But then the A would probably be there, because the only other place it could be is there. And I'm not sure I like the look of that as an ending to a word. So what's another possibility? We could have A's. Let's go back to A's. Where would the I go? That's the problem. It would probably have to start with an I. I'm not really sure I like the look of this. What would the ending of this word be? That's the question. And I don't know the answer. How about if it ends in a vowel? That's something I haven't considered yet. Because now it doesn't have to start with the I could be there. Piranha doesn't quite work, because the R would be here and the H would be here, and those are not the same letter, but they do have the same shape, so that's not allowed. And we can't use an N. But apart from that, piranha would be a great guess. It almost looks like cicada as well, but it obviously can't be. I'm just trying to think of words with the right vowel pattern, but I perhaps need to consider what the right consonant pattern is. And I've got no idea how to do that. How about if it's an L? Don't like the look of that. R. No. T? That looks like it might be a word, but goodness knows what. It's probably not a P. D. Probably not. Don't like the look of that either, but S is a common letter, so it could be somewhere. I don't like the look of any of those, so let's go back to having A's there and there. Although I suppose maybe it starts with the A, because we could still have the I's there and there. What would the last letter be in this position? It could be the C's. It looks so close to being acidic, doesn't it? Or Pacific, but none of those can be correct. Addictic. Elliptic. Oh, I don't know what word I'm trying to think of here. This might be one where I just have to go for a word that I know is not correct, just to get some more information. So I want to go for words that have A's, C's and I's, specifically in those positions, because I think that will give me the most information. But I can't actually think of one, so let's go for plastic instead, because that fills the same brief. It will tell me whether the C is that orange triangle. Wow, so there isn't a C, and the A is not there, which means it's also not there. And the I is not that duplicated, so either the I is there. That feels unlikely. It's possible, I suppose. Or maybe the I is one of the first two letters then. So if the I is there, I suppose it could be air. But then the S would have to be there, so it probably isn't. So maybe the A goes there. This is looking so much like a word, I just cannot think what it is. Oh. I don't think there's a U in it. It really looks like it should be a TA ending or something like that. I don't know. Nothing is in the right place yet, which makes it so much more difficult. How about if the S is not there? Salsa. No, because we can't use the L. We still haven't used the R. Maybe I should have tried an R at some point earlier. This is turning into be a disaster. Not that that's how you spell disaster. What am I going to do here? It's possible that we don't have either of the repeated digits yet. Repeated letters, rather. I suppose that would work. Miss Ease? Oh, disease. It's not like I've been living through a pandemic for 3 years. I should have got that earlier. I should have tried the E in the first word after all, the ER, because then I'd have known for sure that there were E's. I was thinking with the A's and the I's there probably aren't any more vowels, but I was completely wrong. So that's Polygonle in 3. Not a very quick one today. I really struggled with that, as you could see. Let me know if you did better. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.